everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to enable two-step verification on Facebook. So for that, open the Facebook application at first. Once you have been logged in into your Facebook, you need to tap on the top right corner, that is the three horizontal lines. Tap that. From there you need to tap on setting and privacy at the bottom. Tap on setting on the top. Inside setting and privacy, you need to click open the password and security, that is inside account section. You click on password and security. Inside password and security, you scroll down to the two-factor authentication. There you need to tap on use two-factor authentication. Tap that. Two-factor authentication will help to protect your account even better. It's a process where if Facebook do not recognize your account, they will ask for your password or the verification code for the security, which is a two-step verification. So there's a security method that you can choose from, that is authentication app or text message or security key. So from here you can choose the option of how you want to be verified. So here I'm going to show you two-step verification through the text message. You tap on text message. Using the text SMS option, you will receive verification code. So here tap on continue. Select your phone number. You need to choose a phone number that is already on your account, or you can add a new number for the two-factor authentication. The number that you provided will receive the verification code. I'm going to choose the number that I have already on my Facebook. So tap on continue. Now you will receive a code on that number. You need to type in that code from the message to here on this empty text box. You can see the message that I have just received. I'm just going to copy this code and paste it over here on this empty text box. Then tap on continue. Now for the final process, you need to retype your password and then tap on continue. And with that, you have successfully enabled two-step verification on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.